On this Say What activity, there are speech tags and punctuation to help you separate those speech tags from the rest of the dialogue. Speech tags help you know who is speaking and how what is being said is being said. So, for example, in the first example, it says, Lily said, let's go to the park after school. The speech tag is Lily said because Lily said is tagging the rest of the speech and letting me know that Lily said it. In the second example, it says, do you want ice cream? Asked Peter. Asked Peter tags the dialogue and lets me know that what is said is being asked by someone named Peter. In the third example, it says, I love my new kitten, said Tina. He is so playful. Can you find the speech tag? The speech tag lets you know that something is being said and who said it. If you chose said Tina as your speech tag, you're correct. Please underline the speech tags in the rest of the examples on your own. Once you've done that, begin circling the punctuation that separates the dialogue from the speech tags. Lily said, let's go to the park after school. In this case, this comma here separates the dialogue from the speech tag Lily said. I also have end punctuation here. Please circle the end punctuation for each piece of dialogue. Do you want ice cream? Asked Peter. Now, this one is a bit different. Most of the time, if you're going to have a speech tag after the dialogue, you place a comma before the quotation marks and then have your speech tag. But because this is a question, it is a question mark, and this piece of punctuation ends the quotation. I love my new kitten, said Tina. He is so playful. The punctuation that separates the dialogue from the speech tag, in this case, is this exclamation point, and the end punctuation for the dialogue is the period on playful. I have a lot of homework today, said Samantha. In this case, the punctuation that both ends the dialogue and separates the dialogue from the speech tag is the same. It is this comma here after today. Please find the rest of the end punctuation and the punctuation that separates the speech tags from the dialogue on your own.